Hello guys, today let us discuss about SQL injection. A cyber attack known as SQL injection involves tricking the database with SQL queries to retrieve, alter or corrupt data in SQL databases. Hackers use SQL injection to execute a SQL injection attack. For instance, they might enter a SQL query in place of a person's name in a submission form. What is SQL Server? Microsoft Relational Database Management System, which uses SQL to manipulate data, is formally known as SQL Server. There are various editions of MS SQL servers, and each is tailored for particular workloads and requirements. Finally, SQL is not a particularly structured language, especially when compared with a high structured language such as C, Pascal or Java. Instead, SQL statements resemble English sentences complete with noise words that don't add to the meaning of statement but make it read more naturally. SQL has quite a few inconsistencies and also some special rules to prevent you from constructing SQL statements that look perfectly legal but that makes sense. Despite the inaccuracy of its name, SQL has emerged as a standard language for using relational database. SQL is both powerful language and one that is relatively easy to learn. So, SQL is a database management language. The database administrator is answerable for handling the mini computer or mainframe database and make use of SQL to outline the database shape and manipulate get entry to save data. How do SQL commands work? Developers use structured query language commands which are specific keywords or SQL statements to work with data stored in relational database. The following are categories for SQL commands. SQL definition language. SQL commands used to create a database structure are known as data definition language. Based on needs of business, database engineers create and modify database objects using DDL. The create command, for instance, is used by database engineer to create database objects like tables, views, and indexes. Data query language. Data retrieval instructions are written in the data query language DQL, which is used to access a relational database. The select command is used by software programs to filter and return particular results from a SQL table. Data manipulation language. A relational database can be updated with a new data using data manipulation language statements. The insert command, for instance, is used by an application to add a new record to the database. Data control language. Data control language is a programming language used by the database administrator to control or grant other users access to databases. For instance, they can allow specific application to manipulate one or more tables by using grant command. Transaction control language. To automatically update databases, the relational engine uses transaction control language. For instance, the database can reverse a mistake taken transaction using rollback command. In next video, let us discuss about SQL data types. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.